Welcome to today's tutorial on how to prevent hidden comments on Instagram using your PC. With the latest updates, Instagram has made it easier for users to manage their comment settings. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, open Instagram in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, look for the More icon on the left side menu. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to expand the menu options. Once the menu is open, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your account. Now, navigate to Hidden Words. This section allows you to control what comments are automatically hidden from your posts. Click on it to enter. In the Hidden Words section, you will find options related to comment management. Here, you can prevent hidden comments by toggling off any settings that automatically hide comments deemed offensive or unwanted. You can also add specific words or phrases that you want Instagram to filter out, ensuring that comments containing these terms are not hidden without your consent. After making these adjustments, be sure to save any changes you made. This will ensure that your preferences are applied moving forward. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and prevent hidden comments on your Instagram posts from your PC. This feature not only helps maintain a positive environment, but also allows you to engage with your audience more openly. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on navigating social media platforms effectively. Enjoy a more interactive experience on Instagram.